You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. I just played the most annoying game ever. And then I bring it back and I play another game that it was pretty good. It was actually pretty good game and I won. I really won. I'm going to show you, the ending right here. Look at this. I got this rook and rook. Look at this game. I just won this game. And what happened? I didn't press record. It is what it is. Sometimes it happens. You guys know the deal. So let's play another one and let's see if we could do this again. And my audio feels like it's peaking. Maybe it's a little bit better right now. I can't believe. Oh, wow. I'm so upset. I can't believe I didn't press the record game. It is what it is. Let's play another one. Coming back over here. Again, we're playing Y, so let's see what's going to happen. Wow, that was a good game, people. That was a good game. And I messed it up. That was a good game, and I messed it up. I just, wow. Sometimes it happens, I guess. I hate when it happens, but sometimes it happens. Hmm. Now, with my luck, I'm going to lose the next 6 games. Got to be really careful with that one. If I would have paying attention, he comes in B2 right there, and he would turn my war upside down. Wow. All right, so we're doing this again. Let's see. Let's go ahead and castle, and let's try to develop some of these pieces and see what's happening. Trying to remember what I said on my last game. I think I was saying something that I'm not that good. I'm really not. But you know what? I've been trying to get better, but I kind of feel like I'm a 1,000, 1,100, close to 1,200 player because I haven't been able to break it. Really, I haven't been able to break it. Although I've been trying. I've been actually trying a lot, and I haven't been able to break it. It is what it is. Sometimes it happens, right? Sometimes it happens. But again, I do enjoy playing, and I play. I just play because I enjoy. This is kind of like something that I like to do. I do it all the time. I really do it all the time. And you know what? I decided that I was just gonna record some of my games because, like I say, I do it so much that I figure, you know what? People may, I don't know. Some people may like watching this stuff. So I guess we playing. We are pretty much in the same boat, me and this guy. Kind of thinking alike. Try to bring this rook. Hmm. Although I got to tell you, when you start playing, you got to be really, really careful because as you play, you concentrate on the making a video too, and sometimes it kind of like I don't know, it kind of makes it like you're not paying attention to the game. So you got to be pretty careful with that as well. Man, what are you trying to do, bro? What are you trying to do? I don't know. What's happening here? Hmm. This guy has a pretty decent defense. Really didn't have anything else. I just play there just to see what he's doing. Okay, aiming right here. Hmm. Oh no! Check. That was good. That was good. I don't know how I even came out with this one. I don't know how it took. That was good. That was good. That was completely 100% accidental, people. I'm not even taking credit for that. That was just completely accidental. That I thought a blunder, and next thing you know, that happened. Right? Next thing you know, that happened. If I come right here, check, he's gonna have to come here. All right, let's do it. Let's see what happened. Check. Unless he come here, yeah, that's what I was expecting. I could take this. My king is completely protected right here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna start sacking some of these pawns. That's the strategy, and try to bring my pawn closer. That's it. That's gonna be the strategy. He knows that. I'm going to take it nice and easy. Nice and easy. I got 2 pawns right here. I'm going to try to bring these 2 pawns forward. Yeah, nice and easy right here. Now I'm going to push forward. Just to create some pressure. I think if I play this game smart, I'm going to have this game. I think this game is in the books already. If we move that visual, I take the rook. Let's see. Yeah, so very conservative. I'm going to play this game. Now, I mean, I could come out with my rook. He gave up. He knew I was going to play that. I was going to win that game. Very, very conservative. I'm pretty happy with this game. Very, very happy with this game. I'm going to tell you, I won accidentally. If this guy ever watched this game, it was accidentally. I thought I blundered my knight, I think it was, or my bishop, whichever it was. No, I think it was a knight. I think I blundered that, and next thing I know, I realized that if I take with that rook, I was going to give him check, and the queen was going to be open, and I was going to take the queen completely accidentally. But hey, I take it. I'm going to write it down in one of my victories. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and as always, God is in control.